So these hot cross Chelsea buns are really simple to make, but they do take a little bit of time. So if you plan ahead, you can make something that is truly memorable. So to start off, you need to make your dough. So you get your milk and you add some lemon zest and you heat that up until it's steaming. Then add your butter and stir until melted. Remove from the heat, and when it's just warm to touch, add 1 egg yolk and your instant yeast. Mix your dry ingredients together in a bowl. That's your sugar, your cinnamon, your salt and your flour. Then add the wet mixture. Combine in a bowl and then knead on a worktop for 10 minutes until smooth. Keep it at room temperature until it's doubled in size and you'll have something like this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to roll this out and just make sure it's got a nice amount of flour over it. And then with our rolling pin, we're just going to roll it out to about 30 by 40 centimeters. So we're kind of making a rectangle here. Once you've rolled out your rectangle, cover the surface in cinnamon butter. It's super simple to make. Butter, sugar, cinnamon, mix that together in a bowl. Top with your mixed dried fruit and the zest of 1 lemon. Roll this up into a sausage shape and then divide into 12 equal portions. Line a baking tray with greaseproof paper and then place each bun into the tray, allowing equal amounts of space between each one. And then you finish that one there. So once these are all in their tray, you leave these for an hour and they'll double in size. And once they've doubled in size, you can then egg wash them. It's a really good way of bringing an extra shine to the hot cross Chelsea buns. Then mix some plain flour and water together and pipe across over the top of each bun. There we go, look at that. So these go into the oven for 20 minutes and halfway through, after 10 minutes, I'm just gonna turn them. This oven, we just fired a few pizzas in here and it's just cooling down, the flames are dying out, so this is absolutely perfect. I'm gonna whack these in, I'm gonna come back and see how delicious they are. Oh my goodness, look at these. They look amazing. All we're gonna do now, whilst they're still warm, is just cover them in this cream cheese frosting. Because it's still warm, it'll kind of melt a little bit and just go down into all those little gaps. They kind of like tear and share, so you just like rip them apart. I'm just gonna take one out of here. Oh, it's really warm. Covered in that cream cheese frosting, see all the mixed fruit in there, the flavors, the cinnamon. That was amazing. That's so good. To me, that screams Easter. And if you get a chance to make these at home, you should, because they're phenomenal. If you want the recipe, check it out on the Ooni website.